Our fights, slow jams. Hey guys, welcome back to SHIMA SABA. This is a different type of video. I'm going to do some workout content with you all. So today is going to be a gym vlog and I'm going to do legs. Let's get straight to the point. Since 2015, I used to always be at the gym all the time. And as you know, you get older, you become to like lose as much focus or much energy in it. I noticed that my energy has decreased. Sometimes I cannot like carry all my groceries bags some days. Sometimes I just don't have enough energy to do the work that I have to do. Trying to go this graceful approach of just simply walking and going to Pilates or going to yoga, things which puts my body in homeostasis, regulating my nervous system. And so I did a lot of that for a while, but now I'm on a journey to toning, and by this is that I'm incorporating more gym days. And so the thing about that is that I want to do it based out on the cycle that I'm in. I'm in my luteal phase, and when you think about the menstrual cycle that a woman has, let's see, the period that you have in your follicle phase, then you go into your ovulation phase, and then you're in your luteal phase. So I've always had imbalanced hormones. Structuring workouts around my hormones to get it back stable is a goal of mine. And also I want to look more fit. I just want to get my body back in tip-top shape. I think my body looks very good. I think my body looks very beautiful. I want to have more muscle. I want to gain more muscle. So that's my goal. So I'm going to bring you guys to the gym with me, and today I am doing leg day. So we're going to do a lot of this. I'm aiming for hamstrings. I'm aiming for like the glutes, the hamstrings, and the calves. So we're going to see how that is. And this is Dallas. Okay, so the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do some stretching. This gym is very limited, so we're going to have to do a lot of made up routines. All right, so this is going to be simple stretch. For a quick break, I have to show you guys these glasses I got from a company called Firmoo. This is the case that they come out in. They come in this cleaning and cloth pouch, which is good. And me in particular, I wanted something burgundy, so I asked them to send me some burgundy shades. First of all, they're really cute, and I like the size of them right here. It reminds me of like the early 2000s, the glasses that, what's the rapper name? The glasses, it reminds me of glasses like Masterpiece, so we're back in the day. I don't know if you guys are from that era. Let's just try these on just to see how they look on me. Okay, giving rich auntie. You know, it's giving rich auntie. I like how this looks. The style is S42737. This is the style burgundy, and it's only $39. Like, you cannot beat that. These are very affordable. They are very lightweight. This high class look, I really love this. It's like chic look, and that's what I was going for. And so on the site, they have so many options that you can choose from. The glasses are so affordable, and it is very lightweight. So again, the color is burgundy, and if you want these glasses, and you can get a 50% discount out by using the code 𝐸NJS50, and you will get a 50% off any purchase that you use. Just click the link in my description. So guys, I just did a workout, a set, and I thought I had it recording, but it was not recording whatsoever. So let me explain it over to you guys. So I have 15-pound dumbbells. I like to start off all my leg workouts with a squat. So I'm going to do eight dumbbell squats, and then I'm going to do 8 dumbbell deadlifts, and then I'm going to go back carrying. Let's get started. My legs are spread apart, and 1, 2, 5. Activate the core. 6, and straight into the deadlifts. There's no mirror, so I like to look at the mirror so I can know how far to bend my back down. 8. Okay. So I have my legs slightly bent, and then I drop the waist in front of me, and my back is like at a 45-degree angle. So I'm gonna scoot up a little bit so you guys can see it better. And I just make my legs bend my arm at a 90-degree angle. All right, so I'm gonna finish the last set of this and I'll be right back with you guys. I'm gonna do like these leg kickbacks. You guys, I don't know a lot of the names of these workouts. Bear with me, but you'll see when I do it. Okay, so you guys already know what this is because you see everybody doing this. This helps your hamstrings. Okay, I like to move that out the way because it hurts my legs. I'm starting off very lightly because what did I say? We're beginning. We're starting over, getting back in shape. So I'm just going to do 10 sets of these for each leg. I bend my leg like at a 90-degree, like kind of like almost like a 90-degree angle. And I just kick it back. And when I get up here, I hold it there so we can get that booty, that pop. Squeeze it. 9, 10. Now do the same thing on the other leg. Okay, because you don't want to have one booty big and one booty small, right? Okay, same thing, different side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One leg is, you could tell one leg is like stronger than the other. Like this leg right here is weaker than my right leg, my left leg. All right, so I'm gonna do 2 more sets of that. And already you guys can see I'm sweaty. Let's finish this last, well, the second set, the second round. Okay. I may amp up a little bit of weight since this leg is a bit stronger. But like I said, I don't want one booty to be big and one booty to be small. Okay, so five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That one wasn't that bad. All right. So now, now let's do the second round of the left leg. Let's see how strong this one is compared to that. Okay. Maybe I should stand like this so you guys can see it better. Oh, no, that doesn't work. Okay. 1. All right, so with that one, I had to bend my right knee a little bit so I can go deeper and get that full range of motion because I didn't really have it the first round. So that's a little trick that I noticed that's working for me so far. All right, so now we're gonna get into this last little donkey kick thing. You know what I should have done? I should increase the weight each time as I go to the next round. So this is the last round. Okay. And after this, we're going to go into some glute bridges. Yeah, I definitely feel that here. All right, guys. So now we're about to get into some glute bridges. I'm sweating like crazy. and I'll be right back with you guys. So I'm gonna tie it up because I don't have my mat. So there's that. This is something that I've learned in Pilates and it works very well. So I have my foot up here, and what I'm gonna do, I'm alternating since I don't have a reformer. So what I'm gonna do is put my feet on the bottom of this bench. Definitely gonna have to take a shower after this since I don't have my mat. And lay down. And what I'm gonna try to do is to lift my glutes, lift my body up. Do this like 10 times. When you lift up, you wanna make sure that you're curving it vertebrae by vertebrae. So you're curving it until it goes all the way up. And then you curving it the opposite way back down. Curve it from the bottom of your spinal cord, your sacrum, until you all the way lift it up. And you lay it down vertebrae by vertebrae. 10. So lift one leg, keep one foot in the bottom and one leg in the air. So keep this leg lifted. 1, 2, 3, 4, burning? 8, 9, 10. Keep your booty up. Put the next leg up in the air. 1, 2, 5, 7. 3 more. 8. 9. Whew, it's burning. 10. All right, you guys. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do pulses. So I'm going to put my foot back here, lift halfway, go up, down, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. The last leg work I'm going to do is this last leg press machine. So simply, I got the weight on 65. And you know how this goes. What did I tell y'all for? Y'all already know how to work out. But one thing I do, I put since we're going to tackle the glutes and the hamstrings today, I put my feet together a little bit closer to the top. And so that way, I've put more pressure in the bottom of my heel so that I'm tackling the back side of my leg. So I will put one leg down, turn this way, and decrease the amount of weight, and just focus on the glute, the back part, my glutes. Same thing again, but then the next time it's going to be on the other side. So I'll put the weight back on 65. Put the feet together closer to the top and press in at the bottom of your heels 10 times. Now put the weight back at the lightest weight that I possibly can do and turn this way and put my feet closer to the top and press back in my heels and just turn to the side. Five, 6, 7, 8. Last round. So you guys already know what to do now. What we're gonna do? Yes, right. Oh, wrong. You guys knew, but I didn't. I put the weight on the wrong weight. I lifted without changing weight. 1, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. I'm not gonna do the isolation anymore. So now that we're done with this, the last workout we're gonna do is just some simple calf workouts. So they don't have a calf machine here. Oh, grab the 20-pound dumbbells. So what I'm gonna do is stand on my tiptoes and just hold it in for a count of 15. So 1, 2, 3, 2 more sets of this. 14, 15, and we're done. Today was pretty good. It's been a minute filming never filmed gym content. Like I said, you guys, I'm getting my body back into shape. I know how I look when I am just more cut or more defined. And that's it. That's simply as that. Simply want to just gain more muscle, you know, but you know, just kind of want to tone it up a bit. So I'm going to just go for a bit of a walk. I may take you guys with me. It depends on how I feel. Gonna sit outside a little bit just to decompress. And yeah, catch you guys. If I don't catch up with you guys, then this is that in the video. And so I'll close out a little bit shortly. But thank you guys for watching.
Dancing to the beat.